friends, in today's class we are going to discuss one of the important pillar of object-oriented programming is inheritance. We must know that the process of creating a new class from existing class known as inheritance means by which a new class will be created from existing class, that is known as your inheritance. Existing class is known as base class, parent class or super class, and newly created class is termed as derived class, subclass or the child class. Child class can inherit all the property of the parent class but not reverse. Parent class cannot access the property of the child classes. And the purpose of inheritance is reusability, means child class having its own behavior followed by it can access the behavior of the parents. So why it represents main class is known as base class, super class or the parent class, and the newly created class is known as your subclass, child class and the derived class. Main benefit of inheritance is reusability. We have to discuss 5 different types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. First we comes to single inheritance. If in a hierarchy there is a base class and a child class, means the child class can inherit the property of the base class, that is known as your single inheritance, means a parent class and a child class. Child class can inherit the property of the base class. We have taken a syntax: class name means parent class, class child colon access specifier parent means public parent or private parent or the protected parent. Class child colon public parent means this is child class, this is parent class. We have taken the example. We have taken a class P, its member is X. We have taken a class Q which inherit the property of P, means P is the parent class, Q is the child class. Child class having the member Y and the method is get. As we know, member is used to store the value, method is used to operate on the member. Here we have to create the object of the child class. Child class is Q and the object is OB. If we call ob.get, where it will come? It will come child class Q's get function. Its own member Y will be interacted and the parent member is interacted, that is X. Means by putting ourselves in the child class, we can access the member of the parent class or the methods of the parent class, and hence X and Y is accessed in the child class. If we want to access this or run this, moves to your specific compiler. Let our specific compiler is turbo compiler and run this program. Just wait. I have previously written and saved it. I have to just open and run it out. Just a few seconds. Closure. File open. Single.cpp we have saved. Compile it. Now you run it. You will be getting the result 100 and 200. See, the same program is written, class P, class Q. We are creating the object of the child class, that is your Q. In this way, we have verified how the single inheritance work. I think today's session you understand. Having any doubts, please make the comments. If you like the video, kindly like it. If you have not subscribed previously, kindly subscribe it. See you in the next class.